Hello everyone, this is Taro Honso. Today I'll show you how to use Felo's report feature. Writing reports equals making self-assessments and summaries. By organizing how you manage your time, how you arrange things, how you proceed with projects, you write down daily or weekly reports at the same time. You can not only prioritize things better, but also sync the progress to your leader. How to use it? Click the Workbench button on the left side of Felo's main panel, then click the Reports button inside the Workbench. Click on the Create Report button in the Report window. Felo provides three types of reports: Daily Report, Weekly Report, and Monthly Report. In the Create Report screen, first select the receiver of the report in the To field. Click the Add button to select one or more people to receive the report, and then click the Confirm button to submit the report after setting. If you need to send the report to a leader on a regular basis, select the leader and choose Default Recipient. Once you set the leader as the default recipient, you will not have to select the member again to fill out the report. You can edit the summary and plan sections, and add supplementary information in the other section. If you need to add a file, in the Attachment column, click the Add button. Felo supports attachments of all formats. In the recipient's message, Felo will notify you in the form of a report message box. All reports received will be sent to the report message box. Recipients can leave messages to the reports they receive. The sender will receive a message reminder from the recipient. Scenario: at school, you create a report to tell your teacher about your progress and results. At work, you create a report to communicate your work progress and summary to your team or leader. You can use the report function to improve your work efficiency and clarify your goals.